Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if keeps vibrating on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification. And if you want to fix this problem, so turn off notification alerts. After turn off notification alert, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not, let us update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset. Reset phone and you will see second option is reset all settings. Click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin and again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if keeps vibrating on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.